Hello dear mamas, I'm so happy to have you here with me. Today, I'll gently guide you through how to use a manual breast pump with ease and comfort. This is a manual pump, light, simple, and designed to make your breastfeeding journey smoother. Before starting, wash your hands and ensure every part of the pump is clean and properly assembled. Place the soft cup gently on your breast and make sure it feels comfortable and secure. Begin with slow, light squeezes, giving your body time to relax and respond. When the milk starts to flow, continue at your own pace, steady and calm. There's no need to rush, your comfort and peace matter most. Soon, you'll see milk filling the bottle, a wonderful reminder of your body's care and strength. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this guide gives you warmth, confidence, and reassurance on your breastfeeding journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and explore the links below for more gentle, educational videos and mom tips.